Okay, guys, so this is request video. Actually, many people comments for this video how to convert any Android device into iOS 27 Liquid Glass UI. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your Android into iOS 27 Liquid Glass UI. So let's begin. Okay, guys, first you have to download these three apps on your Android device. These apps download link available on description. Simply click and download. Now before start, simply go to setting and enable your developer options. Now enable developer option and simply disable your system lock screen. Simply enable this do not use lock screen option. Now look at this, my system lock screen disable. First open launcher and after open, simply first set this launcher as default launcher. Simply tap and OK. Now you can see for now this is look like normal launcher, but for apply liquid glass effect, simply go to launcher setting. Now look at this liquid glass option. Simply enable liquid glass. After enable liquid glass, now liquid glass effect apply on your launcher, and guys, this is completely real liquid glass effect like iOS 27. Look at this folder, dock, app library. This is complete in liquid glass. Search bar. Okay, first change wallpaper, then simply go to launcher setting, go to wallpaper and apply wallpaper from gallery. Tap on OK. Now look at this liquid glass effect more visible on this wallpaper. Guys, make more folders like these for more realistic liquid glass effect on your home screen. Then simply create folders like these and set these folders on front of home screen like this. Now look at this liquid glass effect. This is completely look like real iOS 27 liquid glass effect. Now add main apps on front of home screen. Now add widgets. For now, I add weather widget. Also add widget on sidebar. Now our home screen is ready. Now let me show you launcher complete setting. So first layout, you also set layout and icon size, weather, liquid glass effect. Guys, make sure all blur effect enable and animations, wallpapers, Guys, all iOS stock wallpapers available on this launcher. You also change icons, app library, and also hide apps on this launcher. Simply enable notification badges. Now let me show you liquid glass lock screen. So open. After open, select language. Before start, set some permissions. After set all the permissions, your liquid glass lock screen enable. Look at these all preset lock screens. But if you want to set custom wallpaper, then simply select wallpaper from gallery. Guys, simply tap on disable battery optimization. Now select wallpaper. And look at this liquid glass clock. You also set mini font, solid or glass effect, simply tap on done. Now tap on set as wallpaper. Now go to home screen. And guys, sometimes you face this blur effect problem. Then simply go to launcher setting and first disable liquid glass and again enable liquid glass. Now look at this lock screen. This is complete look like as 27 liquid glass lock screen, status bar, clock, widgets. And guys, look at this liquid glass control center. You also use liquid glass control center on this lock screen. This is completely look like as 27 liquid glass control center. Simply set brightness permission. And in last, guys, set volume style. iPhone volume style. Simply tap on start. Set accessibility permission. And select iOS volume style. Now your device completely convert into iOS 27 liquid glass UI like iPhone. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you next video. Bye bye.